What are you doing, pretty girl? Huh? What are you doing? What's going on, y'all? I was out here hanging out with my dog. It's a pretty chilly morning. So the other day, went out with Shane from Mason Boys Outdoors and his son Silas, and went out to Graveling Bayou. Could only go for like a couple hours. Had to go to work that night. Just had got off work as well. But you know, not much happened. We really couldn't find the fish. It was, I mean, they found a few. Really windy, very windy. So I'm just coming out here to talk to y'all for a minute. So I just want to say I appreciate y'all when you leave those likes and comments. It helps out tremendously. Like, y'all don't even understand it. It also makes me feel like y'all are watching. You know, y'all really I don't know how to put it without sounding, I don't know, man. I just appreciate y'all like y'all don't even understand, right? I got no words for it. Just thank y'all for everything that you've done, allowed me to be able to do. I go out, I have a blast, and I hope that y'all enjoy the videos. And if you do, you know, just keep dropping those thumbs up. Those help so much. Man, so I guess let's get into it. It's not gonna be that long of a video. I wasn't able to shoot much, but Silas caught his personal best trout, so that's exciting. It was a good time though. So like I said, man, I appreciate y'all so much. Y'all mean the world to me. I don't make this stuff up, like y'all really do. When I go out places and y'all come up to me and ask me stuff, talk to me, I love that. So I mean, you know, you see me out and about, hit me up, talk to me, drop comments, ask me questions. I will answer as many as I can. Yeah, so let's get into today's video. Like I said, it's not that long, but I hope y'all enjoy it. Oh, another thing, we have a giveaway happening. All right, so I'm not gonna spill it what it is yet. I think it's pretty cool. So y'all make sure that you subscribe to the channel to be entered. You're also gonna have to do some other things, but it's gonna be an awesome giveaway. So y'all stay tuned for all that. Love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy today's little clips.
Oh my God!
I'm out here with Shane. Hey, Mason Boys Outdoors. Hey, Silas. We're gonna try to find some trout and some redfish. Maybe get lucky with a flounder. So stick with us. Let's see what's happening. It's real windy right now. It's kind of choppy up in here in the bayou. So let's see what we can do. Shane. What'd you get?
I don't know what it is.
Looks like a trout.
My trout.
Speckled trout. On the bull minnow.
Oh, got one. Oh, I had one.
Did you have one, son?
Yes, I have one.
Keep it tight, buddy.
Yes.
Get him in the boat.
Sand trout.
Roker.
Little sand trout, buddy.
Roker. A sand trout?
Yeah.
My first sand trout. My first sand trout. My first one.
No, you've caught plenty of those, son.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Got there.
I don't know.
I'm a fly on it.
I started reeling it slow.
Oh my gosh.
Fall in this boat. Fall out of this boat.
Ooh.
Watch out.
Speckled trout.
Trout. That's a nice one there.
Yeah.
Oh, he swallowed. Oh, that's a keeper. That is a keeper. That is a keeper.
Hey, let me see what we got, son.
That's big.
A big one, huh?
Yeah.
Shrimp Creole.
Yep.
Dad,
Huh?
Dad,
on, buddy.
That's a giant speck.
Oh yeah, it is. Where's the? It's not easy. Easy. Silas, get the net. What is this? And he's goofing off doing that.
He's goofing off. Cheering on Josh. Got the only keeper of the day.
Who's on that?
He's back there goofing off, jigging, and catches a decent speck. Oh.
Almost. Close that mouth. Oh.
Wait, the front.
He wanted to come see you.
It might be the front. It might be the front.
It is so close to
Like
15.
that.
Here, we gotta pinch the tail, close the mouth.
All right. What you at?
I'm at like.
There, he's just there.
Oh, he's there.
No, he's not there.
Get out of there.
Let's
Well-
keep him. Let's keep him.
No, we're not keeping him.
He's not big enough to keep.
Run.
He's a big one though, buddy.
Hey, stand over there with Mr. Josh and y'all take a picture. Y'all gonna. Sweet release.
Good kiss on the forehead.
Go for it.